Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Conversations. My name is Carlos.
And I'm Sophia. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're talking about a very useful topic in English, how to use will and going to.
Yes, this is a very common topic, and also a confusing one for many English learners.
Exactly. Sometimes students know both forms, but when they start speaking, they stop and think too much. They say, tomorrow I will... No, I'm going to... No, wait.
Yes, that happens a lot. But today we want to make it simple, natural, and practical.
We're not going to give you a boring grammar class.
No, we're going to talk like real people in real situations.
So let's start with something normal. Imagine it's Friday afternoon and your friend asks, "What are your plans for the weekend?"
Good question. If I already have a plan, I can say, I'm going to visit my sister, or I'm going to stay home and watch a movie.
Right, because that plan already exists in your mind.
Exactly. But if you ask me, do you want to come to the park with me? Maybe I answer, I think I'll go.
And that sounds different.
Yes, because I decided in that moment.
That's the first big idea. We often use going to for plans and intentions we already have. And we often use will for decisions we make right now.
Perfect. And the good news is that in daily conversation, that difference becomes easier with practice.
So let's look at more real-life examples.
Carlos, what are you going to do tonight?
Tonight, I'm going to cook dinner at home.
Oh, nice. So you already have a plan.
Yes, I bought vegetables, chicken, and rice this morning. So this is not a new idea. It's my plan.
Great. But imagine I call you later and say, hey, I have extra pizza. Do you want some?
Then I'll say, yes, I'll come right now.
Exactly. That is a decision in the moment.
And honestly, pizza changes plans very fast.
Yes, pizza has a lot of power.
Now let's talk about another very common use. We use will a lot for promises.
Yes, for example, I'll help you. I'll call you later. I'll be there at 8. I won't forget.
Those are short, clear, and natural.
Very natural. If your friend is carrying many bags, you can say, I'll help you.
Or if your mom texts you and says, please don't be late, you can answer, I'll be home soon.
Exactly.
Now let's move to going to again. We often use it when we see evidence in the present.
Yes, that's a very important point.
For example, if we look outside and see dark clouds, strong wind, and maybe people running with umbrellas, we can say, it's going to rain.
Because we see signs now. We have a reason to say it.
Or imagine a student who studies every day, does all the homework, and asks many questions in class.
Then I can say, she's going to pass the exam.
Exactly. There is evidence.
Now compare that with will. If I say, I think she will pass the exam, that sounds more like my opinion.
Yes, we often use will with phrases like, I think, I guess, maybe, probably.
For example, I think it will be a good movie. Maybe he will call later. I guess they will arrive soon.
Those are personal predictions.
But if we already have information or visible signs, going to feels more natural.
Let's make that super clear with one example. If I say, I think our team will win, that is my opinion.
But if our team is winning 4-0 with 5 minutes left, I can say, we're going to win.
Yes, that sounds much stronger.
Because now the evidence is right in front of us.
Let's do more daily situations, because repetition really helps.
Good idea.
Situation 1. The phone rings.
I'll answer it.
Perfect. Quick decision.
Situation 2. You already bought a train ticket for tomorrow.
I'm going to travel tomorrow.
Yes, that's a plan.
Situation 3. Your friend looks very sleepy in class.
He's going to fall asleep.
Exactly. Evidence.
Situation 4. Someone says, who wants coffee?
I'll have one.
Very natural.
Situation 5. On January 1st, many people say, I'm going to exercise more. I'm going to eat healthy. And I'm going to save money.
Yes, those are classic future plans.
And then 2 weeks later, they say, okay, I will start next Monday.
The famous Monday.
Always Monday.
Another good thing to practice is the negative form.
Yes, very useful.
With will, the negative is won't. For example, I won't go out tonight. He won't like that. We won't be late.
And with going to, we say, I'm not going to go out tonight. She's not going to buy it. They're not going to come.
Exactly. Both are useful, but they do not always feel the same.
Here's another example. If I say, I won't forget your birthday, it sounds like a promise.
Yes, but if you say, I'm not going to forget your birthday, that sounds more like intention or emphasis.
Good point.
In real conversation, native speakers do not always think about rules. They hear patterns again and again.
Right. They hear things like, I'll call you. I'll help you. It will be okay. I'm going to study tonight. It's going to rain. We're going to travel next month.
And after enough listening and practice, your brain starts to feel what sounds natural.
That's why it's important to practice with your real life. Use your own examples.
Yes, ask yourself, what am I going to do tomorrow? What will I do right now? What do I think will happen next week? What looks like it's going to happen today?
Those questions are simple but very powerful.
Okay, let's finish with some quick practice.
Great. We'll say the situation and then the answer.
Dark clouds in the sky.
It's going to rain.
The phone is ringing.
I'll get it.
Your friend asks for help.
I'll help you.
You already planned a trip for next month.
I'm going to travel next month.
You see your friend with too many plates in their hands.
You're going to drop them.
Very good. So here is the simple idea. Use will for quick decisions, promises, and personal predictions. Use going to for plans, intentions, and future situations with present evidence.
And remember, you do not need to be perfect today.
Yes, just practice a little every day.
Listen to examples, repeat them, and use them in your own life.
Little by little, your English will improve.
And you're going to feel more confident when you speak.
Nice one. Thanks for joining us today on Easy English Conversations.
We hope this episode helped you understand will and going to in a natural and simple way.
Keep practicing, keep enjoying English, and don't be afraid to speak.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.